This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of the units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air and maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA, and their guarantee is not as good as other brands. They are field convertible between horizontal and downflow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The heat exchangers use aluminized tubular construction, which resists corrosion and improves heat transfer. The PRPGE14 basic units combine a single-stage 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a single-speed constant torque blower motor. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium and Ultimate categories.